Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sage TV. Today, we are diving into the fundamentals of walking. Whether you are looking to improve your posture, increase your daily steps, or simply refine your technique, you've come to the right place. Stick around as we break down the key components of proper walking form and share some tips to help you walk with confidence and ease. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on health, wellness, and everyday living. Let's get started. 1. Stand tall with good posture, head up, and shoulders back. Proper posture is key to efficient walking. Imagine a string pulling you up from the crown of your head, elongating your spine. This helps distribute your weight evenly and prevents strain on your muscles and joints. 2. Relax your arms and let them swing naturally with your stride. Allow your arms to move freely, swinging in sync with your steps. This not only aids in balance but also helps to propel you forward, making your walk more fluid and effortless. 3. Take even steps, neither too short nor too long. Find a comfortable stride length that allows you to maintain a steady pace without overextending or shortening your steps. This promotes efficiency and reduces the risk of fatigue or injury. 4. Start each step by landing on your heel and then roll through to your toes. Begin each step by gently striking the ground with your heel, then smoothly transition your weight forward as you roll through the step, pushing off with your toes. This promotes a smooth, natural gait and helps to absorb shock, reducing impact on your joints. 5. Engage your core muscles for balance and stability. Activate your core muscles by gently drawing your navel toward your spine. This helps to stabilize your pelvis and spine, improving your balance and posture as you walk. 6. Keep your gaze forward, not down, to maintain awareness of your surroundings. Look ahead, focusing on a point in the distance rather than at your feet. This helps you anticipate obstacles and maintain a straight path, reducing the risk of tripping or stumbling. 7. Walk at a comfortable pace, neither too fast nor too slow. Find a rhythm that feels natural and sustainable for you. Walking too quickly can lead to fatigue, while walking too slowly may not provide enough cardiovascular benefit. 8. Maintain a relaxed breathing rhythm. Breathe deeply and rhythmically, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. This supplies your muscles with oxygen and helps you maintain energy and endurance throughout your walk. 9. Avoid slouching or leaning forward. Keep your torso upright and aligned with your hips and legs. This reduces strain on your back and neck muscles, allowing you to walk with greater ease and comfort. 10. Practice regularly to improve your walking technique and endurance. The more you walk, the stronger and more efficient your walking mechanics become. Aim for at least 30 minutes of brisk walking most days of the week to reap the many health benefits of walking. Thanks for joining us today as we explored the art of walking. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to get out there and put these tips into action. Whether you are strolling through the park or tackling a new hiking trail, walking is a simple yet powerful way to stay active and boost your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider sharing it with friends who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to Sage TV for more informative videos on health and fitness.